Good afternoon, our viewers. This is Coherinet TV, the big topic show, whereby we host different stakeholders to give their views, perceptions, and ideas in regards to some of the key pressing issues that we have in regard to sexual reproductive health and rights. I am your host, Nachintu Esther, and here with me, I am with a beautiful lady, a woman leader, and a CEO for St. Mary's New Hope Secondary School, Nabweru. You're welcome, Madam Teacher.
Thank you, Madam Nachintu, the host of the program. I'm also delighted to be part of this wonderful session. I'm by the names of Margaret Mawemko, the co-director and headmistress of St. Mary's New Hope Secondary School, which is found in Nabweru in Ondikawesa Lane. Well, today we are hosting Coherinet, and we are having our MDD competitions, whereby the theme of the day is empowering a girl child. They are acting in skits, songs, folk songs, creative dances, and many other activities, where they are going to be showcasing different areas of how a girl child can be empowered. Nice viewing.
Thank you very much, Madam Margaret, the mother, the teacher, the woman that is behind empowering all the young girls at St. Mary's New Hope Senior Secondary School in Nabweru. Madam Margaret, what is the significance of the topic empowering the girl child to you as a teacher and as a director for St. Mary's Secondary School, Nabweru?
Thank you. The significance of this theme, first of all, we thank the Ministry of Education, which thought hard that this theme should be given and it should run the whole year as far as MDD competitions are concerned. The significance for this theme, empowering a girl child, will automatically empower a girl child who happens to be a future mother, who happens to be a future teacher, who happens to be a future person who brings to earth the new generation. It will empower her with the knowledge that is academically, health-wise, emotionally, physically. By the end of this day, I believe with all that has been focused today, I believe girls will be knowing how they are empowered and what the importance of this empowering girl child is. Secondly, it will give them a self-esteem that those that have been inferior, knowing that a girl child is nothing, by the end of this day they will know their position as far as they are concerned. Because among the activities that they are performing, we are seeing skits that talk about the rights to their bodies. So by the end of the day, a girl who didn't know that she has a right to her body, she will know that my body is my body and mine alone. The girl will know the different problems that she has to avoid so as to keep in school. A girl will know what she has to do to become a leader, and in all those aspects, I believe a girl child will be empowered.
Thank you, Madam Anne, for that insight on empowering. When we talk about empowering the girl child on bodily autonomy or empowering them to decide when it comes to deciding for their bodies, how have you fostered a conducive environment for these young girls to gain the confidence and know that it is their body, it is their choice? What kind of environment, what mechanisms have you put in place to ensure that there is a conducive environment where these young people can really take decision on bodily autonomy?
Thank you. First of all, being a senior lady, because I am their senior woman, I've given them a platform that they see me as a mother. So whenever they have an issue, we first discuss it one-on-one. So that has empowered them so much. In addition to that, we hold debates at school where we give different titles to be discussed. And in addition to that, there are discussions that we normally put across, such that these girls can be given an opportunity to express themselves. And in addition to that, we have worked hand in hand with organizations like Coherinet. There are others that are given to us by the mayor, such that these people come in to give career guidance. They give guidance and counseling on how the changes that a girl child goes through and how they can go through the different changes. Sometimes the girls before, they could even think that many of the changes that they go through can hinder them to be somewhere or to do anything. Take for example the menstruation periods. But after the counseling given to them by the counselors, girls have found it simple, that they know that much as the periods are there, the girls should move on. A girl should not miss lessons. A girl should keep on and push her vision forward. So with the counseling and guidance that has been given to our children, it has given us a very big platform for our girls to know that they cannot be left behind. In this, they have even known how the changes they go through physically, they can go about them. So this has helped us a lot, and it is a big encouragement as far as empowering a girl child is.
Thank you very much, Madam Margaret, for those beautiful insights into having a conducive environment where young people can convey their messages and share out insights on how best they can handle adolescent sexual reproductive health. My final question to you, Madam, is what message would you convey to parents out there? How should they get more involved in the lives of their young people, especially the adolescent young girls? What message are you giving out there to the leaders, to the parents, and to every stakeholder regarding adolescent sexual reproductive health and rights?
Thank you. Well, to the parents, they should open up to their children. Some parents keep it to themselves that they cannot give information to their children, and they leave them unattended too. A girl comes to school, she cannot even open up to a teacher because she did not open up to a parent. So parents should find time for their children and talk to them. In this, parents will be empowering their daughters, because if a girl is empowered from home, I believe even at school it was going to be very simple. Then to us the teachers, we should hold them with care, like as if they are our daughters. Because if a girl comes with a problem and she's at school, automatically the teacher who is there is the parent at the moment. That teacher should act as a parent role to help that girl child to overcome that problem. This will help them to feel at home, to feel the important, not left out in one way or the other. And this will empower them somewhere, somehow. They will know that even if I am at school, I have a mother who can tell me what to do, who can direct me where to go, who can direct me on how to do anything. Then to the nation and the leaders. Leaders should give platform to the organizations. Many organizations have come up to help us on guidance and counseling, because not all parents can guide and counsel their children. But if these organizations are empowered and given a chance to move around in schools, I believe that duty which is hectic to us the teachers and the mothers will be solved by these organizations, because at times these children fear to open up to the mothers, fear to open up to the teachers, but to the people who are counselors, medical people, they can open up, and this will help us. It will even help the girl child to know her position. With these counselors in place, they will direct them on how the physical conditions of their body is, where they should go, which places should be visited, and which advice they should take. This will help us to emulate the different problems that a girl child faces, and at the end we would have empowered a girl child.
Thank you very much for those beautiful insights into the girl child empowerment. I am your host, Nachintu Esther, the Big Topic Show. God bless you all.